Welcome traders. In this video I'm going to step you through the table view in Trading Vault. So to get to that we want to come over and click our trades button. This will load up our timeline view. So from there we just want to hit the table tab and now we're in our table. So in this screen you'll notice it's very familiar if you ever use any other sort of tabling programs like Excel or Google Sheets. It just lays out all your data in a very easy to read way if you like to look at all the numbers. Okay, from this view you can come down the bottom here and you can click the page to swap across and see some more, or otherwise you can adjust the rows per page if you want to look at a bit more trades at one time. From here you can also come across and from the column headings you can click any of these to reorder the trades. So maybe I want to look at sort all my trades based on their open date, or maybe you want to sort it on your profit or your reward risk. And then from there, if you go and click on any of the trades, it will jump straight into that trade's detail view, so you can then start editing the trade or look at it in a bit more detail. So there we have it guys, nice and short. That is the table view. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments down below.